How long it takes to reach that price? And their price? You want a shipping company? Them look like too fragile. Really? Lindsay size. Yeah. The gel one, that? The gel one, that? Yeah. One of them is one. I don't know the price. Them one there, bossy one.
Cavalier, me kill the whole of Jamaica.
Run now. Run now. Run now.
Ready?
start, I think. Now they mean now. Now one big point.
I will give you Adidas box. Come in. I follow the people then. Mainland.
Let's go, Q. Ready, ready.
Mainland.
1, 2, 3. Jump! 1, 2, 3. Jump!
This is it. Mission, Jews. On a mission. Well on, skipper. Victor, right. Over the car. Yeah. Wobble more. Wobble. Seven, closer. All right. Hey, how kick off, you know? How kick off?
Why use that color ball? And close to jersey color.
Like we're ready for two. Like we're ready.
Coverage. I really have a jump. Go around million, cover that space, man, million, relax. say when we have to push up, when them have yours going on empty space there. In. Right here. Sivan, look around there, Sivan!
Battery.
What kind of battery? You see battery?
You say that you say just look for sure. Yeah?
My battery different. My battery has 3 stripes. Something.
Guess what? That board, you see? And the phone that I use, is it really use the stories?
Oh.
So we can do the 2 interviews.
Oh, okay.
Understand?
Yeah, with the goal.
Then I wasn't prepared. This last one they called me. So that is good enough.
I know. I die. Press up and watch the face up more now. First ball. Look for the ball here, look where you're there. There. See him on the ball now. That call a long time, you're not. Look what we say. See him on the ball. Hey, Brooksy, you are them there, sir. There, still not man, nobody there. There, you're not marking man. Go with him, you know. Yeah, go too deep. Yeah. You wait for the ball, you can't take them there. Go, give him, man. Yeah, go, turn and take him, Don't go. Watch out. I hear now, don't want no man knock you some work, you know. Hey, that's
Hey, man, jump, big ball, jump.
rush him. Up.
line, man.
What's you look behind you?
Good
start from Lima.
Behind you. Double, man.
Hey, give me which round I back now.
Ready, go to
Give me which round I back.
Ime. Go back side. Carry them back side, yeah.
Hey!
Yeah, carry them wide on that side, yeah.
Go, Jojo.
Yeah, man. Go back, take the box. Carry them right out of some, man.
Over there. Over there. Over there. Come again. Come again.
Hey, come on!
Test him, man. Test him, man.
Wow.
Hey, man, carry the ball.
Get back to me. Come closer, pass now. Announce the ball. Take him, man. Come again, come again. Die. And big one, pick him up now and stop running down. Go team bigger, man, Millie. Go team bigger. Right inside, Millie. Hey, look how far I go here. Look where it's
Clear the ball!
Walk now, Millie. Go! Go! Come the line, line.
Pass on the ball.
Go on, Millie. Go down.
Pass on the ball.
Give midfielder for the final pass, man. Let's go high.
Instant test.
Come on, man.
Come on, Ring. Pass here.
I think it's a good come still.
Working late.
If he never come till it strike, I'd have a whole part time to do him.
The guy could have murdered him.
Go on.
Hey, boy, turn to eye. Turn to eye. Good. What's the man there? Good. What's the man there? What's the man there? Watch ball like a spectator.
Good turn.
Worry.
Good.
Come around, big boy. Come around, yeah. Ah! Hey, time! Reggie, run nice. Yes, Reggie.
Hey, throw on and good ball, brother.
No.
Come back in and play.
What a different ball.
Ready. But come back and play. You still have cover. Well done. Yeah. When I said that,
Hey, man, if you're calling me my eye, you're not understanding what I said, you know. Lion going there, they take it to one, take it to the one side. Keep going to go in the man, the go on.
Offside.
See that now? Hey! You're one there! Go on there! Come forward! Hey! It's that! You put me here, my brother! Gotta give that time! Hey, watch out, Billy. Hey, step into the corner. Billy, look around you. Billy, look around you. Billy, look around you. Billy. Call back there. There. Billy, turn and shout! Stop passing now! Billy, take on the man! Stop passing man now! Come early, man!
Nice 1 minute. Pass it in turkey.
Take it! Get on! Nice and easy.
Left them right
The peel off is perfect now. But when I peel off, I pass.
Hey! Hey! Good! Good! Nakimagino! Mana! Ay, banana pass time! Forward now! Forward! Give it the ball in the guys! Tawayan, Kasman! Well done!
Run a million, pity no man. Where million?
Don't turn too much, man! Oh, he breaks the right now! He breaks the right now! Perfect! Push the one and down, go there! Hey! First man! First man! Hey! First man! Second man! Die! G-step! Watch him out! Hey, over there! Come on, come in! Two of them, one of them, two of them. Who was the boy? Who was the next?
Yes, father.
Come, Billy, and kill too easy, man. Relax. Hey, I'm right here, sir. See your number now. Who are coming in and walk? See your number. Walk it up. Good work, Billy. Don't stop. And the man there move out there. You want to move with him. Come on, hey! Come on! All right, hey! First ball, who wants second ball? You are running out. Dead! And the field of mine!
What I did? I go on listen man. I go on listen name and them something there. Yeah? No, sir.
Hey, Daddy! Stay for your food.
And them know say them call me late.
Catch it! Catch it! Catch it! Drop the ball this area off 5 feet! Referee! That's it! One man running the man! Die, two! Die! Die! Two! Organize the man! Millie, are you? Talk to Lawrence now! Millie, are you? Are you Millie? Lawrence! Die, look! Yeah, they can get assistant then. They can get assistant then. I know that can say they can get assistant then. That's what just say. Driver Edlick, they can get assistant then. Go close up to you, number 9. Go down, go close up to inside, yeah. Go in. Second ball. mark somebody, Larry. Edge ready to take. Well done, Neymar. See what I know. Neymar, from this up. Everybody, wait for the ball. Jump up in, Sibai. There they have go on, you know. Come wide, Emily, come wide.
White one there, white one.
Rick, come round now. Come round. Get the ball for 1 hour. Ball roll, man. I'm going to continue to play, man. Yeah, two times you turn and search your shot. Shot fine, you wide. Especially when you put the ball.
No, you don't. Come on, there, guys. Billy, who that back court? Who that back court? There no cut.
One banger.
Don't touch him enough. Run with it. Run with it. Run with it. Where's the ball there?
Yes, sir. No, I'm not saying I'm here on it, you know. Yeah, man, them get a shape, man. Them get a shape, man. I tell you, them get a shape. You can't lose the best baller, man, you don't get a shape. Best baller, them. Them.
Maybe I decide to say now. Leave a go
Makes sense. Makes sense. Me I care about the umbrella. Check it first. Me I care about the umbrella.
Girl? I feel way.
Watch out. Watch out. Go say that. Watch out. Go say that. Watch out. Go say that. Watch out. Go say that.
How much you don't check? We're gonna have your own chocolate.
Watch out, crap. Who's saying that? So you're going to win it? You're going to win the ticket?
So a better chance with more value.
Yeah, I know you have to, man.
So watch this now. Now a team like Marja, where two of teams on one prison and I think my right back here.
So they must go make a sacrifice. So they must go and way more player. Because in a match against you, you play double and half, come off if you know, cramp up, you know.
Basketball.
Play double. A veces me estoy sentando en esta casa. Esta madre, en verdad. You know what's the name of I'm saying then?
You send me the match. I tell you.
Tag in there.
When?
MG Sports. Tag in there.
When that?
Tell me a post up this one.
From IG? Power.
Yeah?
Power.
Let me see them.
And them no want it.
Ready for it. Ready for it.
Kill. Liquid. Liquid.
Liquid is a go around, so. When you come and say that,
What?
come and so stiff. Look. Stiff. Come and say liquid.
No way that liquid.
What are we at the spin? Oh.
Come on, look what them lose up here and you doing with him on yard.
Neymar create the goalkeeper and look for one. Face the goalkeeper.
Time for all of it.
Huh?
Time for me to say it. Time for me to say it. I told them during my exam. Sending me. To end of time. Right, I have a chance to end of time. Good. Understand? See line there, so see line there free. Long time. Rascal. First of all, about not playing.
Bad.
But you might get leaked from Madrid as well.
I get it, man. Tapi man tap on him.
Yeah.
Go lang pan ito lang. Bad. They can't change game play. They can change game play. They can make smart decision. I don't see much change game play because the same play. Just Shane make smarter decision.
What you check him on and get the ball, is it? Oh. You have to come now, peel now.
Nice one.
Come back in and 10. Come back in. Man on. Good. Keep on a good. Keep on a good.
Yo,
Same play now, but I'm fix it. Next one now.
yeah, man. Bad. So once you keep your head screwed on, once you keep your head screwed on, you can tell up and go far. I wonder what month they're going to do your case ball them.
Only problem with them. What's the problem with them? Oh, feel like Name my video.
Impress earlier.
Get in front now.
Get in front time. It take too long for to recognize the press.
I'm going to favorite take forward pass him. But I'm not going to make the run. If you move the anytime, no movement as a forward. That's one too good forward work.
Goal per goal.
Yeah, what they want to do? Them feel like say this is all right. Run behind defender. You can run in front of them and get the ball and do the thing. Awesome. Take the ball around and put the team in the problem.
That's good. That's a good move.
What's wrong with it? You think the ball could have make it on anything? No, the way we used to do. Yeah. No, the way we used to do. Forward. 17. I say the time I lick some wicked shot out there.
Left foot and right foot. No, in principle, I'm going to back there.
No. Don't go much you watch every time you watch LLC play. Ask me. Oi.
See what now? Choju step up the tempo and step it up a notch. And Lyman now react.
You man the ball, man. They do the other camera.
Let me see.
Yeah, let's carry it back up.
I have a little bit of work with me now. I give me, making go and take some picture. Hold on, man. Hold on. Good try. Good work there.
I never forgot why you're going to think about it.
I him pull wide and receive
The
it.
difference with the Spanish team now.
Wait! Yo, turn him on this one.
First control. Cool. Yeah, get them in a chance. Come on, let me take one and turn and kick. Touch your gun, eh?
I'm not sure. I don't know when I'm
Get
going.
you? Nah, you gonna get you.
Saa piilet keikää, Lodstu.
Alright, turn it down. Yeah? Turn it down.
Hey, guys, you want to be one. All right. Go to it. That's what you're marking up. You're challenge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, you know about the ball this time. Nobody in the try to come my front post.
What's it? That's it.
You good man, tough man. I go keep it.
Field. Yeah, the pan camera.
It's liquid. Free. Yeah? So one or two stiff? One or two stiff?
No, man, I'm stiffing it up.
Oh, you stop streaming much in live? Stop streaming them live? I use a phone service. Yeah, I'm on Strong on the phone? Stream, you're not there when it's up on the phone. But I know, so when you don't use the signal, the service. Plug it in. If you know that base man, the coach and playing build up from the back.
If you know, if the man not come and call.
This one, how you train, you're supposed to know, say, when you train, you can kick out the ball.
Yeah, but you're supposed to train for here, man, come and say, yo, me there now.
You're not a football player.
Football played more, brother.
Tell a man to do this.
Good work.
That's what I'm saying.
Football played more, not only football alone.
This is what I'm telling you.
Big boy! Come around, boy! Come run now!
Yeah, what I say is, you have to understand something. Them man they so them man play football. Can't read and read. Even if him hear the sound, he's not going to respond to it.
Oh, I don't understand that still.
So now with the coaching video right now, they mistake you know, start work on them in the training. And try to get him to work with the pattern of build up play. A while ago, he used to build up with much money when they could have knocked on the ball and come on.
True.
That's the thing. The Jamaica when I like build up now.
They train.
However you're out.
Did they train?
You see, and then they kick the ball up the field, we have a ball that's a good.
No, but man say, did
Like me, I
they
tell?
but you have to remember say, if they train like that, how them train.
That's what I say to yourself. And then they kick the ball, they straight kick the ball up yourself. Who would have cuss?
Nobody doing because I say, boy, get it better safe than sorry. I think this is actually a good game.
Did they tell me?
No more juveniles. Give me a pass.
So why never pass the ball Bailey instead of him? Stop the field.
Control the ball and come wide. Control the ball and pass ball. I couldn't know
Yimba. Early. Really tired, man. Oh. Too early. Correct. What's up? I can't reckon ready much. They make fight broke already. Y'all blow the whistle a long time. I'm at control ball and I'm doing more and do after that. It's like the way I do before the ball hit your foot. No way I do before the ball hit your foot. Hold up, man, you don't touch a ball, then.
So you know somebody go close that he go. And it's big boy kick the ball.
Figo, the one the tired Figo. Science are telling me that. The one the tired Figo. Yeah, the tired Figo.
Give me a done 1-1. Another goal night. Think another goal night?
Turn.
You think another goal night? 1-1.
Who's a better team? Who's a better team and a better player, but I'm just not kind of going forward again.
Gone.
No, kind of going forward.
Big boy, look around, man. Yeah. Basta. Let's walk off the pitch now. Come on, back to the middle.
It's a good delivery.
Number 10.
You can switch back there and put it up top. To limit the change also. Switch there. Yeah, please, that's in the sun. What?
Humidity.
Can Sturridge get this on target? That's the question. And Sturridge is over this one, people. Let me tell you what you have to say about this kick.
Can get it on target in no trouble.
Yes, if it's on target, keeper will have to come up with a spectacular save.
Just gone now.
So is the best one now?
I'm not sure. I think so.
Kick it a goal now.
One time now.
Kick it a goal.
Frill it, frill it. Hey! Sturridge is a player. Don't turn the back on the ball.
Our boss though. Can't go down our boss though. Pass the ball. Technique.
Could believe that thing.
Run on the field over there. Listen, listen. Tell about ball, for GC, when I run the park. GC is like that, you know.
One only take up a marking responsibility now. One cover. Hey! Check it!
Lines, man, you're blind. Check your hair over. Take it over.
Good clear boy.
Shoot, wall up.
No, I'm not in a break. That's the ground.
Well done, defender.
Hey, Oscar, you over there. You over there. Right.
Boy, I can defend good enough.
Same. Captain. Captain.
Yeah.
Same dollar go?
Big boy, see boy number 9 there.
Who that?
Big boy.
Come on. Don't give me an offside.
Yo, listen. I'm fit for.
Not this end up. Support him, there support.
Close on the play there. Close on the play that help him now. Step little bit close on that man.
Pass. Turn. Good.
Come again, come again, come again. Hey, one. I'm young, man. Hey, Bobla. Who the Panther? Who the Panther? Too much man can't go up, you can eye back. Neymar, go eye back to Neymar. Way in more.
That's a good delivery.
My question is, when goes the deep square? When goes the deep square? See, if it goes the deep, you have to carry it, you have to spring it back. So.
No, but at the end of the day, wait long enough. Because you go deep and the man is still not reach.
That's why I'm saying, you go deep, you have to go so.
Yeah, but man,
come so.
even if he never goes so deep and cast the ball, would I get it?
If he comes so,
He
people
cut-
are getting
he
man,
cut-
running, cutting.
I defend a cut the angle early still, but so yes.
Come inside now.
Power, the nine runs well.
Big boy, big boy. Big boy.
Well done, keeper.
Hey, use the stick. Rethink it. Lawrence, go to Lawrence, go to Lawrence. One is coming out of box, no one in.
You know the basket look good all again.
Square.
Somebody not touch, but I forget his get on top of it.
So you're going to find people that's square.
Eh?
You can find somebody that's square.
And every time you'll find somebody.
Hey, you think when you go overseas, you know square ball stuff?
No, me agree with that.
Right, so you have a target that go exposed to them.
You know, say, 90% of
Yeah?
90% of goals scored in this game.
No, as a human, as a natural human. But what I say to you is that goals, most of them goals with the same score of a cross is overseas. Practice.
Yeah, I agree.
Put the ball in a specific area with the forward and reach.
Oh, that's a good pass. Bomba.
I tell you now. Yeah? Ain't no kick good, yeah? No kick good. Naldo. 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 Make that one go. I must make that one go. Nobody now, bro. Nobody now. When them a play on fumes.
Who that?
Game dead. It's job. Go on him. Come on, come on. What that, man? I can't screw up.
Change him. 16.
Time I go.
Napoli.
Okay, that's it.
Napoli. Napoli. One few attacking threat.
I ain't doing upper style. They're not trying to.
Injured.
Good. I don't see no pass, brother. I want to see true ball, so. Jesus Christ.
Left side, pass. Control. Come on there.
Give him.
Captain of defense with a foot.
Attackers and movements.
Awesome.
Shows.
Stand up on the back.
Yeah, stand up with the
Maybe because you don't have
no,
a
but
natural
there's
striker.
a next thing too. If you're not getting a movement as a midfielder, that try the ball them off like go.
But the man is striker. That's it. The man
When the
is
midfield
striker.
can take a shot, otherwise they can get space to just boom.
The man is not a striker. The man want the ball on your foot. So the man comes in. That's why they now get a chance.
While I got to play when he make it, so it was a good play and then break it down with a poor cross.
What make it think we are complaining about the crosses then? Because of the position of this, the attackers then. Yeah, right foot up. Can't kick in the ball out.